Welcome to New Vision International School Virtual Learning. Good morning, Grade 3. Today is April 22, 2020, and this is the continuation of our lesson 4, Grammar. Please bring out the following materials: your reader's and writer's notebook, your copybook, and of course, your pencil. Are you ready to start your lesson? Great! Our topic for today is still about comma. Again, repeat after me. What is our lesson for today? Comma. Good job. And this is our learning objectives. The first one is identify the uses of commas. Understand and use commas correctly. And the last one is construct simple sentences with commas. Do you still remember the meaning of a comma? What is the meaning of comma? A comma separates items in a list and shows a break in a sentence. Every time you see a comma, what are you going to do? You must take a little rest. Good job. Every time you see some commas, you will take a little rest. Good job. And these are the rules in using a comma. The first one here, use a comma and a conjunction to join two sentences. For example, my mom told me to take a bath, but I told her that I am not feeling well. So where is the comma here? Here, before the conjunction. This is the conjunction. Next rule. Use commas to separate words in a series. Like this sentence, I love to eat apples, bananas, and watermelon. Where did I put the comma? After each item. Very good. Another one we have here. Use a comma after the greeting and the closing of a friendly letter. In any letter, you must use a comma. For examples, we have here, Dear Miss Rana, of course our comma, and the closing sincerely, and another comma. So don't forget, after the greeting or the closing, we must use the commas. Another rule here is, use a comma between the name of a city and a state in an address. Like Al-Manar District, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. How many commas did I use? 2. So I used the comma after the district and after the city. So another comma here. Next rule. Use a comma to separate the month and day from the year. Like our date for today. We have April 22, 2020. So the comma must be after the day. Did you understand everything? Great, so let's practice. Sentence number 1. We will go to Mecca on May 6, 2020. Where am I supposed to put the comma? Yes, it must be after the day. So here will be our comma. Sentence number 2. Closing. Your friend. Where are we going to put the comma? After the friend. Good job. The last sentence here is, I want to play and eat an ice cream outside. So this is our conjunction. Where am I going to put the comma? Excellent. Before the conjunction. Good job. Let's have another review using your homework from last week. And the lesson is still commas. And the page is 428 of your reader's and writer's notebook. So let's read this first. Insect communities. Bees, wasps, termites, and ants live in communities. These insects work together to feed the community. Other jobs in the community include builder, soldier, or queen. Communities are also called colonies. They live in hives or nests. Scientists study termite nests. at the University of Kentucky in Lexington, Kentucky. Question number 1. What change, if any, should be made in sentence number 1? What do you think is the answer? Yes, the answer is the first one. We need to place a comma after termites. Number 2. Which change, if any, should be made in sentence number 2? Make no change because this is already correct. So we don't need to change anything. Sentence number 3. What do we need to change in sentence number 3? Okay, this one. Change builder, soldier, or queen to builder, comma, soldier, comma, or queen. Sentence number 4. Which answer correctly uses commas to combine sentence number 4 and number 5? If we are going to combine sentence number 4 and number 5, we need to use the conjunction and before the conjunction, we must put our comma, the last one. Answer is the second one. So we need to put the comma after the word Lexington. We have another activities on 447 of your Readers and Writers Notebook. Directions. Fix the comma errors in the sentences in the letter. If a sentence does not have a comma error, write C. It means the sentence is correct. The first one, Dear Thomas, and it has comma. This is the greeting. Do we need to change something? No need because it is already correct. So just write the letter C. Number 2, I saw something wonderful and I had to tell you. This is the conjunction. Where is the comma? Here, after the word wonderful. Number 3, I saw millions of yellow, blue, and orange butterflies. So you have different colors here. Where are we going to put the commas? Yes, after each color. So copy the whole sentence and then write the comma after each color. Good job. Number 4. The palm, pine, and fruit trees were full of butterflies. No need to change anything because it is already correct. Number 5, you have here closing. Your friend Justin. Yeah, we must put the comma after the word friend. Let's continue. Directions. Write each sentence, add commas where they are needed. So we will write the whole sentence on the line and then we will add the commas. Number 6. We took a trip to the rainforest on June 23, 2005. Yeah, so after the day. Number 7. We hiked, climbed, and rested in the forest. So we did a lot of things here. We must put the comma after this and after this word. Number 8. We saw incredible plants, birds, and insects. Okay, so the comma must be after the word plants and birds. Number 9. On the ground were fire ants, harvester ants, and army ants. So you have different kinds of ants here. Where are we going to put the comma? Okay, after the word ants. The last one. The ants looked dangerous, but they left us alone. So you have here the conjunction. Where are we going to put the comma? Excellent, before the word but. Don't forget to pause the video while copying the answers. Awesome, kids! And for your homework, you need to use your copybook in writing 3 sentences that include commas. Very good, kids. That's all for today. Thank you. See you next time.